A very good afternoon to all. My name is Aishwarya Narud and today we have with us Dr. Aishwarya Gopal Krishnan. Ma'am is a PhD in Finance. She holds a degree in MBA Finance and International Business. So welcome ma'am.
Thank you, Aishwarya.
I came to know that PCET under the brand name Pune Business School is launching a new PGDM program. So how do you see this journey from here?
Pune Business School is not new. All our faculty members have been a part of the management education industry since a very long time, teaching both PGDM and MBA programs. The PCET Trust is more than 28 years old and most of our faculty members are well qualified doctorates. We also have a very good connect with our alumni through our Management Institute, and they keep delivering a lot of sessions for our students via their corporate platforms. So I think yes, it's going to be a very fruitful journey for all those aspirants who join our PGDM program at Pune Business School.
What is the eligibility criteria for PGDM program?
Students who have qualified for any one of the 6 All India entrance tests, that is CAT, MAT, XAT, ATMA, CMAT, GMAT, can apply to our program. Exceptional students with good scores in MHCET also can apply this time. The overall ranking will be based on the calculation of a few components. The weightage given is in this order. Around 35 to 60% of the weightage will be given to the entrance test scores. 5 to 25% will be given to the academic performance of students for their 10th, 12th and graduation. We will also be looking at overall consistency in the marks. 25 to 40% of the weightage will be given for the personal interview rounds this time. We have cancelled the group discussion due to the COVID-19 restrictions which are prevalent at present. Also, around 5 to 20% of the weightage will be given to students who have participated in extracurricular activities, sports, social work, academic and gender diversity. Students who have got relevant work experience as well as fresh graduates may apply for the program.
What will be the final criteria for selection?
The final selection criteria for students will be based on the academic as well as professional achievements, work experience, exceptional communication skills and also the right attitude to take up the PGDM challenge. Also, students who have cleared all these required criteria and have cleared the personal interview rounds will find their names in our merit list. More focus will be on personal interviews this time.
Can you focus on the uniqueness of your institute?
As a PGDM institution, we lay strong focus on the values and we follow a very differentiated approach. Our PGDM program offers 3 specializations, that is marketing, finance and human resources. The students can choose their specialization in the 2nd year. We are a renowned and professional education institute with the latest technology and infrastructure. As an autonomous body, we have been empowered to design our own curriculum and we keep upgrading it every year. So the selection process will not be based only on the intellectual readiness of the student, but also his or her emotional readiness, the ability to take part in extracurricular activities, communication skills like I said, work experience, as well as the aptitude which befits the institute's mission of value-based leadership.
What are the educational objectives of your program?
Our educational objectives are to bring out a strong foundation, a solid foundation for students in managing organizations. We are also looking towards creating value-adding business leaders who are able to use cutting-edge ideas and analytical skills to solve the problems in their organizations. We are also looking towards grooming our students professionally using innovation, training as well as self-study. We are also looking towards making our students aware of the societal issues and creating business leaders who are ready to follow professional integrity and ethics.
How will you be able to ensure that your students match up to the PGDM level?
As an institution, we believe in enhancing relationships and grooming our students at all levels. Hence, we have these clubs and committees which are managed and run by our students. To name a few of the clubs, we have the Think Rethink Club, which takes care of research activities. We have the Fit and Fine Club, which takes care of the sports activities of students. We have the Pro Smart Club, which takes care of the professional development of students. We also have Image Builder Club, which takes care of the personality development, communication and leadership activities of students. We have an Expression Club, which takes care of the art and literature grooming of students. So I think yes, exposure to so many clubs and activities would definitely give that added edge to our students to face the corporate world and be successful there. As faculty members, we also maintain an open window policy which helps the students to get in touch with us and get all their doubts solved as and when required.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for the detailed information. I am sure it would be very beneficial for the PGDM aspirants of Pune Business School.
Thank you, Ashmara. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all the students and welcome them to our Pune Business School PGDM program. Wish you all the very best for a successful future. And if you have any doubts, you can always get back to us by logging on our website, that is www.punebusinessschool.com. Thank you very much.